your brain?
Stop being stupid. Come on. Leave her alone. Shut up, Jenna.
You're still alive, Josh. Don't worry, you're not dead. You're still alive. Yeah, you're still alive. Don't worry. Don't cry.
Don't just disappear.
You're still alive.
Better get back in here and watch.
He's still alive. He thought he was dead. That's why he was crying. Because he's a little baby. He's like 2 years old. And she... Here, I'll show you. And she... Wait, got it. Yeah, she's my sister. What's that button? Yeah. The little crow is watching some cartoon called Phineas and Ferb. Whatever. Everyone is important. I have the easiest homework ever. If you ever do not want to go to school, then don't look at me. Go look at the computer. Josh. He has 50 reasons to not go to work. 50 excuses to not go to work or school. Okay, bye. I said okay, bye. Okay, bye.